Hello, I've been told to present you this paper. It deals with the issue of how, as it is often observed in practice, a weak signal is efficiently transmitted throughout excitable media. More specifically, a theoretical model is presented here in which weak signals, either continuous as a sinus or discrete as a train of uncorrelated pulses, travel competing with noise through complex links and units. We may think for concreteness of synapses and neurons, for instance. And finally, the signal emerges at the end, not only superimposing itself to the noise, but depicting well-defined peaks of the signal-to-noise correlation at two different and often rather distant noise frequencies. The paper then shows that this kind of predicted stochastic multiresonance occurs precisely in a set of recent data concerning humans. The same qualitative behavior has been observed in the transfer of information in various other cases, shows the paper. In order to capture this intriguing behavior, the model needs to assume that the links are dynamic with short-time fatigue plasticity, as in a recent paper. The units, on the other hand, are modeled according to the familiar Phys-Nagumo model for neurons, in which the thresholds to be exceeded by the shoots constantly adapt in some way to the input. The facts a general reader will find most interesting here are, we believe, first, that the stochastic multiresonance happens to be due to interplay between short-term synaptic plasticity, that is, variations of the intensity links in a network, which is a common situation in practice, and adaptive thresholds, that is, neuron thresholds that vary depending on the level of the mean input, which is also known to occur in nature, and in particular in cortical regions. Therefore, not only the detailed mechanisms behind these interesting phenomena has now been made explicit in the paper, but it follows that a stochastic multiresonance is to be observed rather generally in neural media and in many other excitable systems. The second fact that many readers will find attractive is that the paper also indicates how to confirm or to deny our theory. In practice, this only requires relatively simple experiments either in humans or in laboratory animals. Finally, the paper will also suggest the reader how one should do to build devices that can be used as detectors and filters for meaningful signals which occur in noisy competing environments. My bet is that many general readers, as well as specialists, will find the paper interesting. Thank you.